Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if making your kids eat vegetable is your biggest problem, today's recipes are going to be really helpful. Let's start with the first one, which is mixed veg paratha. The ingredients list is given below. So we start by heating some oil and adding some onions into it. Then we add in the green chilies and we'll cook the onions until they change color. Then we add in baji masala or red chili powder and garam masala combination. Now in goes the vegetables which I've already boiled. I've already boiled and mashed the potatoes as well. Now I'm mixing everything together. We'll add a little bit of water to this and make sure that we mash all the potatoes and the vegetables nicely. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt to taste. Again, mix well. We'll cook it for 2-3 minutes and then add some coriander leaves to this. Mix, switch off the stove and let it cool. Now for the paratha, I've taken some whole wheat flour and maida in a bowl, to which I've added salt and a little bit of milk. Now I'm going to mix this with a little bit of water and make a paratha dough out of it. Now the dough is ready. I'm just rubbing a little bit of ghee on top of it and letting it sit. Now let's roll one paratha into a small round. Keep the stuffing in the middle. Bring the ends together like we do with any normal paratha. Flatten it out with your fingers. Now we'll dust it with some flour and roll it gently into a paratha. Once it's nicely rolled, we'll keep a tawa on medium flame and then transfer this onto the tawa and cook it until it's golden brown on both sides. You can grease the parathas with some oil as well. So let's move to the next recipe, which is Korean pancakes. This is super easy to make. Ingredients list is given below. So I've taken maida, corn flour, baking powder, salt into a bowl. I'm going to add some water to this and make a batter out of it. Make sure there are no lumps in this batter. So mix it nicely, gradually adding water to it. So the batter's consistency has to be runny, like this. Now I've got some vegetables ready in here like cabbage, carrot, zucchini, bell peppers and small onions. I've thinly sliced them. Make sure you slice them as thin as possible. Now add these into this batter and mix nicely. Now let's season this with a little bit of pepper powder and the batter is ready. Now we'll place a frying pan on fire on medium-low heat and pour this batter into the pan and spread it out nicely. Make sure you spread out the batter so that it does not become a thick mass. Now we'll pour some oil to the edges and cook it until it's golden brown on both sides like this. So once it's ready, you can serve this with a dipping sauce, the recipe for which is given in the description. So do try these two recipes and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.